Hi, here with the CLEARBLAST 650. We're going to go ahead and shut down. So you've blasted for the day, you've possibly refilled, and you want to go ahead and stow it until next time you're using it. Now, first thing you want to do is go ahead and close the slurry ball valve. That'll discontinue the flow of media from your pot and allow you to rinse this hose out. So easy enough, we're going to go ahead and go to wash down on the dial, at which point you can pull your trigger and you can rinse down the surface that you're blasting or the item that you're blasting, or at the very least, rinse out your hose and componentry of the panel. That only takes about 30 seconds if you're just doing that later part. So we've done that. We can go ahead and also turn it to off, and that'll discontinue the flow of water and or media. Pull the trigger and that will flush all the water out of your line. Now it's only air at this point, so you can also use that to assist in cleaning up the job site or the item that you just blasted. So our hose is clean, inner components are also clean. We're going to go ahead and dump our pot. If you would like to, you can capture the media that is remaining in the pot, putting it into buckets and using it at another time. Or you can go ahead and dump this and dispose of it properly depending on what you're using. So easy enough. You want to go ahead and remain in off. We will remove our pins. This is a cam and groove. At this point there should be no pressure in here because we have vented everything out by blasting air only. You have your cam and groove connection here. We will remove that and again dump that into a bucket or onto the ground, getting all the water material out. Now we can assist in that rinsing process once it gets low using our pot fill, rinsing out any of that later material stuck on the sides of the pot, and you'll see that you are good to go once your water has gone clear. Proper stowing of the machine, we like to leave these ball valves open. We'll put our pins back in to our cam here. This just allows everything to dry out. We can even also open up our dump valve and we'll stow that hose just here off of the panel, prevents anything from getting in there that you do not want to. For safety measures, go ahead and hit your e-stop, and she is good to stow until the next time you're ready to use it. This is Adam from ClearBlast with the operational shutdown of the ClearBlast 650.